What's up today, guys? Today we're taking a look at the 1-year review of the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration 39195. So I've been driving this pretty steadily, and this time I did wash it as opposed to the 6-month. I didn't get very good. There's still some blood up there from bugs, but it really hasn't changed much. It actually looks pretty decent still. All in all, it looks pretty good. We'll go check out the other light real quick. Of course, the driver's side still looks really good. Somewhere along the line, I got a big scratch in here, whether it was when I was washing it or it was probably when I washed it, to be honest. I went through some mud, quite a bit of it recently, and I got rocks all over the place, and I tried wiping this off a little bit, but I mean, you could still see a little bit of cracking in there. I can't remember if that was there. This area, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Let me see if I can kind of see some of the haze there, but a little bit of cracking right in here, just on the back side. I don't think it's the front, but really the headlight kit has held up, hasn't re-hazed really. Maybe this corner a little bit, but I might not have done a very good job on that. But I don't know, compared to the top, it is still a lot cleaner. And the edge here, you can see the edge where I didn't do it. It's kind of rough, but yeah, I think this headlight kit does its job. We're a year out. Still looks really good, short of me scratching it, and just from daily use. Probably not the same daily use that most people do, because I do drive rural roads and dirt roads quite a bit, so my front ends are a little bit more prone to rocks and stuff. So anyways, I think it's holding up pretty good. This is just kind of an overview of it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.